So here's how to add a 1099 on H&R Block. First, you'll need to go to hrblock.com and then log into your account. And then click on continue taxes if you haven't finished. Now you can click on the help section in here and search for 1099, for example, INT. You can also search for any different form you want, for example, 1099C, then press enter to search for it. And now you should click on this first link here next to the arrow, and it should take you directly to the form. Now for if you want, you can upgrade it to Deluxe or Pro Edition for H&R Block to continue. For example, this form is required for debt cancellation. You can click on continue and click on continue taxes. Now check the box here and enter your taxpayer first name and last name. Now it will tell you to review the full agreement to continue. You will simply need to click on the scroll box and scroll till the bottom to be able to see the full agreement. Now you'll simply click on agree and continue. And it will tell you if you're missing something like some debt cancellation income. You can add your debt exclusions. You can choose my debt was canceled, or I had mortgage debt, or any reason. And then you can click next and follow the process to complete the filing. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.